Let's make a creamy Parmesan garlic pasta. We're gonna slice 3 cloves of garlic for this pasta. Let's start working on our sauce. Fill it up to medium heat. Once it's warmed up, we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of butter. Now that the butter's melting, we're gonna add in the garlic that we chopped. We're gonna add in our garlics become fragrant. What we're gonna do is add in a little bit of this chicken stock I made. Pasta. Add in our heavy cream. Now that our sauce is boiling, what we're gonna do is add in some Parmesan and a little bit of Italian herbs, pepper flakes.